Last week, I took a tour of the FAW-Volkswagen car factory in Foshan. VW gave us a full view of their high-precision automated production line. Being a big fan of Volkswagen myself, I was extremely excited for this one. I set off from Shenzhen to Foshan. I didn't get a seat in time because the train was absolutely rammed. Pulling up to the factory, I was amazed by the sheer size of the place. It was easily the largest factory that I had visited to date. It's 1.6 kilometers squared, which is 410 acres. Annual capacity is 600,000 cars. That's 1,600 cars every day.
Cool. Yeah. Hi.
Welcome.
Meet our guide, Mr. Huang.
Very fast.
Very fast.
But I think you don't drive too fast because a little dangerous.
And this is Yun.
Yun. You can call me Yun.
Both Yun and Mr. Huang took great care of us on the tour around the factory.
It's very comfortable.
The first stop on the tour was the gallery, where we got to poke around in some cars that had been manufactured in this facility. It turns out they have lots of boot space for victims of kidnap. We learned about FAW-VW and I couldn't believe it, this was not their biggest factory. We also learned about their strategic MEB platform, which stands for Make Everything Better. FAW-VW Group includes a serious number of the world's top brands, including Skoda, Seat, Audi, Porsche, Bentley, Lamborghini, Bugatti, and for the two-wheel motorheads, Ducati. The cars produced in this factory are Volkswagen ID4, ID6, ID7, and the Audi Q4. It had been fun up until this point, but this is when things started to get very interesting. The next stop was the body shop. This is the room where the car's outer skeleton is formed and welded together with 99% automation. The reason they call it a smart factory is because all of the cars can be made on the same production line. The staff and machines using sensors understand what model they're operating on and adjust their processes to match that model. The most amazing thing about this room was that apart from a few maintenance crew, the body shop is 99% automated. In fact, if it wasn't for our walking tour, all of the lights in the room would be turned off. It was incredibly impressive, if not utterly mesmerizing, to see all the robot arms working together autonomously. It was like watching a well-rehearsed piece of theatre. Seamless choreography, flashing light shows, and special effects blend together to create a masterpiece even Andrew Lloyd Webber would be impressed with. Once the car bodies leave the body shop, the white car bodies are taken to the paint shop, where they are dolled up with a fresh layer of paint. Unfortunately, we didn't get to see the paint shop, probably because of the fumes. After the paint shop comes the assembly shop, where all of the purchasing parts are then assembled.
This assembly. Wow, your Chinese is really good.
I then asked Yun for a breakdown of their process design.
Every car will go through one workshop for 1 minute. We call it cycle time. We will design the cycle time in 1 minute, and we will calculate how many parts these workers can install within 1 minute. Actually, it's part of work of industrial engineering.
Sure.
Yes, we will try to organize these work steps with a high efficiency within 1 minute. For example, in this area, we need to install some parts that only can be installed here. We will call it, this is at first this process design. After this determination of this process design, we'll try to organize or arrange these steps reasonable way. Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much for explaining that.
No, this is my work. Yes, I work here every day. day. So yes,
Oh, well, it's very impressive. It's a cool place to work.
it's also happy for me to hear that.
Do you like working here?
Yes. I've worked for VW for more than 10 years. From the beginning, actually, zero knowledge. Until now, it's so many things.
How long until you become boss?
It's hard.
It's
hard. I will try to do my best for the work. Yes.
Well, hey, I believe you can do it.
Yeah, thank you.
I believe you can do it.
Yes, thank you.
怎么这么棒？
没有，我的中文没有你的好。
你在这边大学吗？
没有，只是学了一点点，只学了6个月的
你有
中文，
女朋友吗？
但是没有。
那你中文这么好？
我
This is all logistics.
Logistics.
Our partner put here and the logistics car to our produce line.
The logistics of the assembly shop are essential for bringing parts to and from the production line. It is for the most part fully automated as well. We witnessed and probably were the cause of an error loop in the supply chain, which resulted in a traffic jam and one of the employees needing to get the robots unstuck. It takes a car only 3 days to pass through all stages of production, and that includes through the body shop, the paint shop, and the assembly shop, and off the line. After leaving the assembly shop, we then went to a showroom where we met some of the Western employees that managed the plant. We had a great chat, covered a whole bunch of topics including their experience working in China versus working in Europe, and what they thought of China's growing domestic EV market. Did you enjoy it today?
Of course.
What was your favorite part?
I think it's all the machine. There's 12 ones that start working together. It's so cool to look.
It was really amazing how it must take a very long time to set that up.
Of course. Programming and then also the cost of everything is there. Yeah.
What did you think about their testing facilities?
I believe. So it's like they did it like maybe 5 or 10 years ago, and then I think they got a lot of upgrade, like space to go.
Oh, you mean they've got a lot of improvements to make?
Yes.
You're not so impressed with the testing?
No, not. I'm not. I believe my company can do it much better.
Yama works for a testing company, if you didn't know.
So Volkswagen, if you see this video, contact me. I can make your production line even better.
You heard it, FAW-Volkswagen. Thank you very much. It's been an absolute pleasure. Until next time. A huge thank you to FAW-Volkswagen for having us and BritCham GuangDong for organising the visit. Once again, fantastic group of people and very informative. Definitely gave me some food for thought regarding my own manufacturing design process.